Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel shortcuts, and now if you want to add here some icons, so options, or just to remove some of them, or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. And after that, scroll down and you'll see here this down section with invisible icons. If you want to add some of them here, you should just hold the icon and after that drag it to this up section by this way. Just to remove the icons from here, by the same way, hold and drag them to the down section. And to change their positions, you should hold and drag each of the icons here. If you want to save the changes, just go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.